Alright, so the kitchen right now is getting somewhat to being done. As you can see, the wall is been taped, but we haven't painted it yet. Come on into the kitchen. Of course, you saw the swinging door that is now up, which makes it nice, and the metal things. So if we're carrying something heavy, that makes it convenient. Let's see. We have a new island. Of course, I lost the film or didn't do it. This was made out of a door that I ordered. It's actually a solid slab door. Still got to get the legs. These are just temporary. Of course, we're going to be moving some stuff around in here. As we're doing stuff, I'll be filming this after Christmas. We still got to finish the wall over there. We got to paint this wall. I put down a base coat already until I had an old paint, so I just put it up there so it helped not absorb so much paint. Still got to work on the cabinets, getting them. This one was not originally this color, so we're going to get it back to get down to this color. Hopefully in the spring we'll be taking all of this out. We got a nice antique stove that we're going to be putting in there. It's going to be a propane stove. So a lot of this will be coming out, and as we get more money, then we're going to be putting in more cabinets everywhere. So like I said, I lost a lot of the film for when I was putting this stuff in, the countertop, a lot of the backsplash. Of course, this backsplash will be everywhere where there's exposed walls except for the very top. The sink is so cool. It's a Kraus sink. I lost the footage for that. I love this sink. It's so big, and it wasn't like the old one, which was like right here in the corner, and you had to bend way over to wash, what could hurt both me and my wife's back. So, and of course, I still got to stain all these cabinets so that they match these ones, because we like this. It's going to be a darker stain because almost everything in here is going to be white except for the green paint. And this is a, I think, dark ebony stain. So that's where we're at right now. Of course, we've got the new stove, the new refrigerator. The refrigerator, according to, if my wife wants it, will probably be getting moved over here when we do this side over here, because we're probably going to put a baking station, because I love to bake over in that area, and then more shelves and cabinets. All that's just temporary, just to hold stuff, because I'm a hoarder and we have so much crap because of me. And so eventually this whole kitchen will be full of cabinets, and that's what we're going to be doing after Christmas. So there we go. Well, it's been a very good year, and I want to thank everybody that's been watching consistently, and even if you don't watch consistently, I want to thank you all for another awesome year of some craziness at the White Sanitarium. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next year.